Hi, I'm Greg Hagger from Greg's Bass Shed. In today's lesson we're going to be looking at 3-note chords on the bass, and we're going to be doing sevenths. So we're looking at a normal 7, a dominant 7th, a minor 7th and a major 7th. And if we start with playing them on C, so that chord there is C7 or C dominant 7, and it's made up of the root C, the major 3rd E, and the minor 7th, which is B flat. So you play the C on the A string, 15th fret, play the E on the D string, 14th fret, and you play B flat on the 15th fret of the G string. So that's C7. Now to get C minor 7, all we do is drop the 3rd. So we drop the E down to the E flat, just a half step or semitone. So we've got this pattern. So same root, same 7th, just a minor 3rd. So that's C minor 7. And then to get the major 7, if we play C7 again, all we need to do is put the 7th up to a major 7th. So we just put it up a half step or a semitone. So the root and the 3rd stay the same. So that's C major 7. So all three, C7, C minor 7, C major 7. And that's with C on the A string. We can play those 3 chords with C on the E string. So that's C7 or C dominant 7th. Sounds slightly different, but the same notes, just different places on the bass. So that shape there, so you're playing the C, 8th fret of the E string, the B flat 7th on the 8th fret, the D string, and the E on the 9th fret of the G string. So this time the 3rd's on the top. So if we want to make that into a minor 7, we just drop that 3rd down a half step. So there's our C minor 7. We'll go back to the C7. And to get the major 7, like we did before, we just put the 7th up a half step, up a semitone. So we have C7, C minor 7, C major 7. So if you practice those in both positions and different notes, something on any note, and the advantage of having these 2 different positions are sometimes it just where it sounds better on the bass. So if we had a B, B7, it's a little bit muddy there, a little bit too high to play up there. So the best place is quite nice there. So you've got a few options. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and found it useful. This lesson's in 2 parts, so in the next video we'll be looking at 2-5-1s, and we can use these 7 chords to play the 2-5-1s. So once you're happy with these 3 shapes, then please look at the next video. If you have any questions, then write in the comments below, or any feedback, then write them there. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Greg Hagger from Greg's Bass Shed.